Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today we are cooking oven baked turkey wings. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can see, in a large bowl I have my wings, and I did go ahead and stuff these wings off camera, but you don't have to do that, it's completely optional. But if you are curious, I did stuff them with onions, bell peppers, and garlic. And now you just see me adding some seasoning to the wings. I will have everything that I used down in the description box below. Okay, so now I'm going to add in a little bit of mustard and some all-purpose flour. Keep in mind you can use Dijon mustard. I was out of it, but yellow mustard will suffice. Now I'm going to take the wings and place them into a Dutch oven pot. Then I'm going to cover it and place it in the oven on 380 degrees for about an hour and 15 minutes. I do want to add that halfway through cooking time, I did flip the wings. And that is it, guys. This is the final product. I recommend you guys try this recipe out. You will not be disappointed. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed week.